Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a time lapse of me making this bag right here. This is a cute little crossbody bag that I've created. It is heavily inspired by a lot of different bags and pouches that I've seen with this 2-zipper thing going on, but I really like my version of all of it because the biggest reason is because we got card slots, of course. We got 3 card slots in there. And what I love the most about it is the strap connectors, how they're on the ends like this. And they're not on the side seams here or on the top of the zipper. And I really don't like that. When I try to unzip the top zipper, it doesn't work out. I always get caught up. So I really love how this hangs on the body when you're wearing it, and how it just kind of like, see, look how it hangs. It's so nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a time lapse, so if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to make this bag, just leave a comment down below, and I will try my best to make that tutorial for you. All right, bye.